Hey everyone, this is my 1986 Ford Bronco. It's been a project of mine since I bought it last year in March 2021. Purchased this from Texas off of Facebook Marketplace, and it's been kind of a project since then. Came factory with the 302 fuel injected motor with the AOD trans, Borg Warner 1354 transfer case. I ripped all that shit out, and I had a 351 Windsor in my garage from my old Bronco that was bored 30 over, has the E303 cam. I went ahead and pulled the heads off of it and the intake off of it. Actually pulled the whole motor apart and put new bearings, new piston rings. I got a set of GT40 heads for it. I had those heads redone, and I got the GT40 Lightning intake for it. Let me pop the hood real quick. Of course, you guys have probably seen this in the other video. GT40 intake. I had a power steering leak I just couldn't get rid of, and finally I decided to take and pull the old fitting out of the old pump and put the old line back on it, and voila, no more leak. I managed to pick up the 460 air tube from the junkyard this weekend. Fits nicely. Put the E4OD transmission in this. As you can see by that pan, we have the full 3-inch exhaust. Runs over to the Flowmaster FX series muffler and out the back. Got a 96 limited slip axle that I put 410 gears in. It's running the speed sensor up top there. The speed sensor is strictly for the speedometer. The speedometer, I went ahead and took the PSOM out of a 92 through 96 truck, and I integrated it with the 86 bullnose face. Had a problem with it last week with the roller rockers that were on it. Obviously I didn't adjust them right, and I bent every freaking push rod in the engine. So this past week the whole truck's been down. I finally got it back up and running this weekend. Anyway, I'm sure you guys want to hear how it sounds. Get the keys out. Oh, keys are in it. Here's something cool. A little Easter egg. Bronco cover. I don't know if I can get this somehow. I got an idea. See if I can get a rev for you guys. Hopefully that worked out. Anyway, it's been my project. I think it's come along all right. Still got more to do. Gotta get paint jobs, gotta get a new tailgate. This thing's so clean, man. 86, and look at these leaf spring shackles. Still got the factory rivets and the factory E-coat. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed.